Have you ever heard about Auraiya, a district that is quickly growing and contributing to the development of Uttar Pradesh? Let's explore its story today. Intro. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore Auraiya, a developing district in Uttar Pradesh. Known for its historical background, agriculture, strength, and steady progress, though it may not be as famous as major cities. Auraiya has its own unique identity and importance, so let's begin our journey. History. Auraiya has a history that connected it to ancient and medieval India. The region was once part of larger kingdom and later came under the rule of Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. During British rule, Auraiya was included in administrative division that helped in governance and development. In modern times, Auraiya was established as a separate 1997 carved out Etawah district to improve administration. Since then it has been growing steadily in terms of infrastructure and development. Geography. Auraiya is located in the central part of Uttar Pradesh. It lies in the fertile plains of northern India, which are suitable for agriculture. The district experiences hot summer, cool winter, moderate monsoon rainfall. Rivers like the Yamuna flow nearby, contributing to fertile soil and farming activities. People. The people of Auraiya are known for their simplicity, hardworking nature, and traditional values. Most of the population live in rural areas. Common occupation include agriculture, small business, government, and private job. The people maintain strong community bonds and participate actively in social and cultural activities. Language. The primary language spoken in Auraiya is Hindi. Local dialects such as Kannauj and Awadhi are also commonly used. Urdu is spoken by some communities, reflected culture diversity. Food. The food of Auraiya is simple and based on traditional North Indian cuisine. Popular food items include roti, rice, dal, and vegetable. Seasonal dishes prepared from locally grown crops, sweet like laddu, jalebi, and papad. The cuisine is nutrition and reflects some rural traditional culture. Auraiya has a rich culture heritage rooted in tradition and festival. Culture highlights include festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Navratri. Folk music and dance. A strong family and community value. The culture reflected a blend of tradition and simplicity. Tourist. Auraiya is not a major tourist destination, but it has some palace of local importance. Dev Kali Temple, a popular religious site. Local ghats and river banks, rural landscape, and fire. These palaces attract visitors from nearby areas. Fact. Here are some interesting facts about Auraiya. It became a separate district in 1997. Agriculture is the backbone of its economy. It is influenced by Kannauj and Awadhi culture. The region is steadily development in infrastructure. Important. Auraiya holds in important in several ways. Agriculture importance, fertile and land support farming, administrative importance, a well-managed district, cultural culture importance, rich tradition and festival, economic importance, growing local economic. Conclusion. In conclusion, Odia is a district that represented a steady growth along with strong culture roots, its agricultural strength, simple lifestyle, and ongoing development make it an important part of Uttar Pradesh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching video.